Here we are with another product demonstration. We are going to talk about calling for assistance with the Zamok Calling VoIP feature, the Informational Pop-Up window, and the value that this provides. We're going to watch this instructional pop-up video.
With the Zamok Calling feature, you can quickly call a contact for help. Here's how to make a call. Start by selecting a contact from the directory. It's as simple as a tap. For privacy, pick up the handset. If you need to enter an extension, use the on-screen dial pad. Or, if you need to multitask, minimize the call window and continue your work. You can reopen the call window with this button. Once you're ready, just tap, make a call, and you're all set.
In this case, we're not using a welcome video to describe anything on the kiosk, but we are using the Informational Pop-Up video on a particular button. Every button on this screen can have the Informational Pop-Up feature, and that value is huge. This one describes to the user in detail, in a very quick video, how to use all the functionality of this particular button. In this case, the pop-up video is for being able to do phone calls from the kiosk. These informational pop-ups are configured through Zamok, our kiosk management software. You don't have to have a handset on these kiosks, but we do recommend it for personal privacy. It's part of our PII series. You may have somebody in your lobby where there is a crowd and the user would like to have some privacy that a handset can provide. The person doesn't have to watch the video. All they've got to do is touch the screen to bypass it. Okay, let's make a call. Now we're seeing a staff directory. This is all customizable for your office. Rather than using people's names, you could label the button by need. These contacts can be individual lines, departments, or call groups. Here, you see the calling feature. You can minimize this if you need to. One of the reasons for this minimize feature is you may be trying to fill out a form and you need to ask for help. Now we can fast forward a little bit here because this is all the same thing that the movie showed us. Here, I am going into a Section 8 form, and this is the beginning of the form. Notice that when I'm in the form, I still have the phone button available. You can get someone on the phone while you are filling out the form. We can pick up the handset and call somebody. The person on the other end can go to our website and they can log into Zamok. In the Zamok interface, they will see some kiosk administration functions. In this example, they now can see Document Kiosk in the lobby. By clicking this button, the administrator can see exactly what the kiosk user is doing on the screen. The administrator can then help guide the user through to form completion and submission, whether it be print or email. The VoIP functionality and handset can be used for a call for help, checking in, or any other situation that may require speaking with someone directly. And that concludes this product demonstration. Check out our other videos for more feature tutorials, and please reach out with any questions or if you're interested in starting your own self-service project. Thanks for watching.